and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the smooth slow motion zoom in on CapCut PC. So go to speed first and turn down the duration of your video and add in a smooth slow motion and select optical flow. It will take longer, but it does make the video smoother. And to zoom in like on the object or the person's face, for instance, you're just going to add a keyframe to position and scale. And then you're going to scale it and you're going to position the where you want the object to be. For instance, kind of in the middle. If you need help, just add in like a text here and put it in the middle, and that's where you want it to be. So you do have to scale it in a little bit more. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!